This is the Star News Brief. I'm Valentine Ludiema. The talks between President William Ruto and Azimio Chief Raila Odinga's team might run into headwinds after petitioners moved to court to challenge the legality of the National Dialogue Committee. Both Ruto and Raila appointed members of their political outfits to the 10-member bipartisan team, whose formation was formalized by Parliament. The team has been collecting views from Kenyans on topical issues, including electoral reforms. They went to court to stop Dialogue team from holding further sittings until their case is heard. They say committee lacks legal framework to guide collection of public views. Get a copy of The Star by subscribing to our e-paper for only 40 shillings through www.mgazzetti.com. Opposition Chief Raila Odinga has waded into the controversy on the privatization of the Mombasa port, saying such a move depicts the ineptitude and bad intentions of the government. In a statement issued from Mombasa on Friday, Raila said the secrecy with which the process is being conducted raises questions. He spoke after a consultative forum with the Azimio coalition leadership and elected governors in the coastal city. Head of Public Service Felix Koskei has said that police officers perpetuating corruption in their workstations will be held responsible at an individual level. Koskei said there will no longer be back-passing or sacred cows in the war to end the cases of bribery and other forms of corruption within the police service. The government, he said, will pursue the war to its conclusive end and hence asked the officers to be part of it. Koskei, however, said government is cognizant of the challenges faced by the officers. Controversial singer Quincy Wambita Timberlake was on Friday sentenced to 11 years in Australia following his plea of guilty to manslaughter charges of the death of his son in 2014. 3-year-old Sinclair died on his father's bedroom floor in Brisbane, Australia in June 2014. Timberlake had pleaded guilty last month after he entered into a plea agreement with the prosecution for a lesser sentence. Fishermen in Turkana County have accused foreigners of frustrating and exploiting the resources from Lake Turkana. The more than 4,000 fishermen said foreigners from Uganda and Congo are engaging in illegal fishing by catching underage fish. They told the Senate Agriculture Committee that the foreigners are also buying fish at cheaper prices. The locals charged that fish farming has provided food to hundreds of families in the area, thereby reducing the famine crisis. Get a copy of The Star by subscribing to our e-paper for only 40 shillings through www.mgazzetti.com.